This presentation is going to be on alpha thalassemia and Somalian refugees in Lewiston, Maine, and how their diets can manipulate symptoms. So a little background, Somalia is currently in political turmoil, and since 1990, 836,300 people have sought asylum worldwide. 33,600 have found refuge in the United States, and 3,500 of those is in Lewiston. Lewiston is an overwhelmingly white population, and the total population is 38,493. So a little background on alpha thalassemia. It is a deficiency of glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. It is inherited, and the hemoglobin in the red blood cells is low of the alpha protein. Some symptoms include dizziness, leg cramps, difficulty concentrating, pale skin, shortness of breath, headaches, and a rapid heartbeat. Some treatments are diet and supplements, iron chelation therapy, and blood transfusions. And for this presentation, we will be focusing on diets and the supplements. So the methods of this program is, at the beginning of the program, we're going to get an initial complete blood count, or CBC, serum ferritin levels, iron levels, total iron binding capacity, transferrin, and a vitamin panel for oversupplementation or any deficiencies. Then individuals will meet with a life coach / nutritionist to create a diet plan including all the supplements B, C, and E that will be provided. They will then follow weekly with a coach for the first year and then monthly for the next 2 years. And then at each follow-up, the questionnaire will be given to gauge the individual's symptom severity, as well as a blood draw for the anemia panel, which is listed above, and the vitamin panel. So this is how we're going to evaluate the effectiveness of this program. As you can see, the situation is going to be alpha thalassemia. Priorities is going to be lowering the effects and symptoms of anemia. So the inputs are going to be funding, community support, time, resources, and the staff, as well as the outputs for activities is going to be health-focused events, informational sessions, and nutritional trainings. The participation side of things is going to be clinical teams, strengthening public health programs. The outcomes in the short term are going to be learn more about the disease and how diet affects it, and learn about how treatment can be modified. The medium term is any behavioral changes, including following their diet or anything like that. And then in long term is their change in diets and negative outcomes are minimized. So for process implementation evaluation, we will know the effectiveness in the area because it will be evaluated based on how well individuals keep to their dietary plans and continue with their follow-ups with the nutritionist. For outcome effectiveness and evaluation, we will see how effective the program is by seeing how well diet influences alpha thalassemia in a positive manner. So we are hoping that by a change in diet and including the supplements into their diet, they will see a difference in the severity of their symptoms. So for community-based consultation, we are going to focus on community-based research, and that's going to be utilizing theories, participation, and practices to develop mutual benefits, co-learning, and long-term commitment. Some of the communities and the partnerships that we are going to be focusing with is the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It focuses on relocating refugees fleeing from countries that are experiencing political instability and ensures that where they locate, they are in an area where they can thrive. And then the Somali Bantu Community Association will provide advocacy, food production, and vital translational skills to the community. And for individual-based involvement, they will be included in all of their dietary planning and will be reimbursed based on any foods that they buy as long as they are healthy foods that stick to the diet that they create with the nutritionist and life coach. In conclusion, this study will help inform how alpha thalassemia is influenced by diet and supplementation.